G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Today we're doing a classic dessert here, or slice, the old caramel slice. Very popular here in Australia, especially in supermarkets, cafes, etc. But very, very easy to make yourself. See, you can see the end product here. Absolutely looks great. So now we'll go by the step-by-step process of how to make this caramel slice. Thank you. G'day everyone, welcome back. And wasn't that a nice simple process? You know, it's the homemade base, especially if you wanted to, you could use a biscuit already bought and you just crumble it up and add butter. But this one here, you got the flour, the coconut, brown sugar, and you just bake it off beforehand. And then with the caramel, you got the golden syrup, condensed milk, and some butter. And just the chocolate with a dash of oil on the top, and as you can see, turned out perfect. Now for the taste test. It is sweet, but it's not hard, it's pretty soft, just enough oil on the chocolate so it sets, but yeah, bites through and cuts through really easy. Great dessert. It's only a little square tin I made, but we get about 15 portions out of it. So it's easy to make. Give it a try, and just leave a comment below. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next video. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much.